Hello and welcome to Abenteuer und Allrad, the largest off-road show in the world. This is the World Cruiser 3 from Toms Fahrzeugtechnik. And so let's have a look at this vehicle here. So just obviously looking at the camping part of it, which is at the back. Although maybe you'd like to say one or two words on it. What is the base?
No, I wouldn't.
You wouldn't.
No,
okay. No,
you do it. Please.
Okay, right. So I'm doing it. So what's the
past being a film star.
yeah, what's the base vehicle? Base vehicle.
It's a Toyota.
Yeah.
Toyota 70
something.
79.
79. What about something about the engine of the Toyota?
All the new ones are benzene.
Petrol.
Yes, petrol.
Yeah. So I didn't know that actually. So just as well ask you that one. So right. So we've got that much, and okay, sleeping arrangement up here with the window in the roof. This here will move forward, obviously, if you wanted it. Right, 4 seats down here, down the front. So double cab. And here we have, yeah, that's quite standard. This isn't so standard. Oh, there's a fridge from Noel. Engel, sorry, Engel, not Noel, Engel. Yeah. I've never heard of Noel, but I have heard of Engel. And this is your living accommodation in here. Boiler will be down there. And possibility, I believe, also of making a bed down here as well. So it's got the works. Up here we've got USB, the roof lights, and rear door, and more USBs, and that's your 12 volt. And we've got the same on the other side as well. Webasto heating, so if it's a petrol engine, it must be a Webasto petrol. The Webasto's petrol?
Yes. Webasto heater.
Right, okay. Alright, okay. So, let's now have a walk around the rest of it. And what's the cost of this?
130,000 starting.
130,000, right. So that's for the cheap version of it. If you want any extras like windscreen wipers, that's more.
No.
Yeah. So, all right, let's have a walk around the rest of it. Yeah. So we'll go a complete walk around the side. So there we go. See, I learned something new today, that they're only Toyota now. These vehicles are only in petrol versions, which might make it a bit more difficult to travel, I would have thought. There you go. Velterizer, World Traveller, World Cruiser 3, and cost here. Oh, this one is 140,000. This has got some extras in it, which have put the price up a bit. Okay, so there's your information on the vehicle, and here is a final look at this World Cruiser 3 from Toms Fahrzeugtechnik.